Buttons on reflex sights are notoriously prone to failure and are intrusion points for water and dirt. So instead of buttons, your Cuda sight features tap controls. But unlike typical tap-controlled devices that can't tell the difference between accidental and intentional taps, all taps to your Cuda sight must pass a security check. Most tap-controlled devices just detect change in motion, but your Cuda sight can also detect change in light. When we combine these actions, they form a unique event, a SecureTap. Here's what a SecureTap looks like. When I tap the light sensor on the front of the sight, I generated motion with the tap, and I changed the amount of light detected by the sensor. So now, if we string together 3 SecureTaps, we create an extremely rare event and produce a one-of-a-kind key to unlock the settings menu. Here's a helpful tip. Be sure your finger lays across the front of the sight so you're completely covering the light sensor with each SecureTap. Because remember, your Cuda sight detects change in motion and change in light to properly register SecureTaps. Also, some optics-ready pistols have a deeper cut in the slide, so your light sensor may be a little more challenging to cover with your finger without smudging your lens. If this is true of your firearm, you can still perform SecureTaps with this alternate method. Just grab your firearm firmly and use little karate chops with the end of your finger right at the sensor. It works just as well. With Cuda SecureTaps, you get the benefit of simple, buttonless tap controls, plus the peace of mind that you'll never accidentally enter the settings menu and modify your settings. For more information, visit CudaOptics.com or contact us today.